guys, this is Priyanka from Pinkish and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Joy Diamond Facial Skin Brightening Kit for you guys. So let's begin. This kit retails for 225 rupees but I got this for 150 rupees because it was on discount. It also contains a face wash free with this kit. Now let me open this product and show you guys how it looks from inside. So it comes in this tube forms, which is nice because I don't like those packets like you can't use them twice. Like if you open it, you have to use them at the same time and I don't like that. So it has 4 tubes. So the first thing that I have here is this Skin Fruits Gentle Care Face Wash. It says that it is for normal skin and it cleans gently with fruit milli capsules and it has active fruit boosters. So let's see how it performs. Next up I have these 4 tubes with me. First one is a scrub cleanser, so that means the cleansing step combines the scrubbing step too. The second one is the skin brightening cream, for which you need to massage your face with this. The third one is the shine pack, so you have to apply the face pack. And the fourth one is the skin polish cream. I think I can get 2 to 3 uses out of this. So 150 rupees and 3 facials, not bad. Now let's see how it performs first. So the first thing that I'm going to be using here is the face wash, the apple face wash. The red dot that you see in the middle is not a dirt. It is supposed to be like active particle or something, but it doesn't do anything. But the face wash is okay. Okay, so the first step of the facial is this scrub cleanser. The smell of it is a bit floral, strong but pleasant. The scrub particles are small but not very effective, and also it has glitter particles in it. Anyways, I am just rubbing this scrub till my face feels softer and cleaner, and here I am done. So I just washed it off and pat it dry with a clean towel. The second step of this facial is the skin brightening cream. It smells a little bit like Pond's Cold Cream. The texture is soft but has glitters again. You have to massage till it completely gets absorbed into your skin as instructed. So here I am doing that now and I am done. The third step is the application of this youthful shine pack. It feels like soft mud pack and has a strong floral herbal smell. The pack also has glitter particles in it, and I just don't understand why every product in this facial kit has glitters in it. Like whatever, I'll just let you guys know in the end how it all works out. So right now I'm just applying the pack and I am trying to apply a little bit thicker. I don't like to apply my pack as a very thin layer. The face pack has completely dried now, so I am gonna go and wash it and come back soon. So I just washed the face pack and next I am going to be applying the skin polish cream. It is a very soft and moisturizing but a bit oily cream, and the only one which does not have glitter in it. Now coming to my final thoughts about this facial kit. The face wash was okay, but the actual facial kit, I don't know what to say about it. First of all the products, most probably the massaging cream and the face pack that I applied have glitter particles in them, like actual glitter particles. Like they all say they have diamond extracts, but I'm pretty sure they do not have diamond in them. It is just glitter, chunks of glitter on my face, and that is so finely milled that it is not even getting off of my face after washing it. So I don't like that. Like this facial kit has literally, very naively they thought that the inner glow could be achieved by putting glitter on your face. That is not true. That is not how a facial is supposed to work. Also the face pack stings a bit, so for sensitive skin people it is definitely a big no. So all in all I would say don't buy this kit. It was a big disaster. I just wasted half an hour to 1 hour of my precious evening time where I could have enjoyed a cup of lemon tea and something on Hotstar, but I wasted this on the facial kit. Now I'm going to wash my face again. I'll try to get rid of the glitters, and I'll probably use a sheet mask or aloe vera gel or something to calm my face down, because I think it is still a bit irritated. Like, this side is still not feeling that good. I don't like this facial kit at all. Don't buy this, guys. Even though it was cheap, it is not worth it at all. I know it is pretty dark, but I hope I am visible to you guys. So that was all for the video, guys. I really hope you liked this review. You better give me a thumbs up, because I took a bullet for all of you guys and saved you from this murderous facial kit. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It is almost like dark here, so I am now going to go and have my lemon tea and relax now and do something about my face, which is pretty irritated right now. So till next time, take care. Bye bye.